Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. There's a trader that's trending because he made a profit of $1.2 million just trading the financial market. Let me just take you to the page so that you will see why I'm so excited to start this video today. But before we jump into this trend to discuss further, you know what we do in this channel. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Oh yeah, now you know how it's done. We like and subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed before, it's entirely free to hit the like button now. Hit it now until it will be at a cost. So here we are at FTMO, and you can see on FTMO, I just clicked on the leaderboard. As the name implies, the leaderboard shows the overview of currently most profitable active FTMO accounts. So for all the people that are trading FTMO, it shows you the top 10 most profitable traders at the moment. And you can see we have number 1 to be Dariusz W, and he made a profit of $1.2 million. You see, his account size is 400,000. So if you add his account size and his profit, that will give you $1.6 million. So which means that since he has an account size of 400,000, he has made a profit of about 301%, and he's from the US. So you can see other people like Anthony, Bruno, the top 10 most profitable traders at the moment that are trading with FTMO. So if you don't know what prop firm is or how to trade with FTMO, this video is definitely for you in order to explain to you how you can start making more money than him trading the financial market. So let's start with prop firms. What's a prop firm? Because FTMO is a classic example of a proprietary trading firm. Prop trading firm, otherwise called proprietary trading firms, are just companies that give traders money to trade. So if I'm a trader, if you are a trader and you want to trade in the financial market, but you're like, I don't really have the capital to trade. I don't have like 100,000, 200,000, or even 1 million to trade the financial market. But I have the skill, I have the knowledge, I have the experience. So you come to these prop trading firms online, then you apply to them whatever you choose to trade in the financial market. And you are like, I'm a good trader, but I don't have the money to trade with. I don't want to lose my own money. I want a company to give me money to trade, and they will cover my loss if I lose. So you simply head on to FTMO and several other prop firms that I will show you. So you can see on their website, you can see Forex trader wanted, trade our company's capital, and you receive up to 90% of profit. We cover the losses. So what it simply involves is you are given 2 challenge to pass. So if you want to trade your account, first of all, you select the amount you want to trade. Is it 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000? And how much does it take to buy the challenge? So let's say if you want to buy $100,000 account to trade, it costs 540 euros, which is like about $600. And you are given some rules to obey. So you can see the rules that you must obey if you are taking up this challenge. Now, the challenge is in 2 phases. The first one is called a challenge. The second one is called verification. And once you pass this challenge and the verification, you'll be given money to trade with. So you can start trading now properly. Now, the benefit of trading with them is that any profit that you make, you are given about 80% of the profit. So you take home 80% of the profit. So if I now enroll for this $100,000 account, and let's say in a month I make a profit of $20,000, I will go home with 80% of the profit, which is in this case $16,000. And what if I lose? I hear you ask. If you lose, the loss is on them. So they're the one that will bear the loss. You don't bear the loss, but you take 80% of the profit when you make profit. You can make up to 90% when they have upgraded your account. So if you trade with them for 3 months and you are profitable, they will scale up your account by 25%. And once they have scaled up your account, now you'll be getting about 90% profit. But my focus here is for you to start, which is to take up a challenge, let's say $100,000 trading challenge that you can buy for 540 euros. And the first challenge involved that for 30 days, you need to make a profit of $10,000 for 30 days. The minimum number of days it will take you is 10 days, which is, I see, a minimum trading days. And the maximum trading days is 30 days. So between 10 days to 30 days of trading, you need to make a profit of $10,000. Now, in case you lose, I hear you ask, the maximum you can lose for one day is $5,000. That's the maximum you can lose for one day trading with them. And for the entire duration of your account, the maximum you can lose throughout the life cycle of your account is $10,000. So once you're able to meet this requirement and you're able to make a profit of $10,000 between 10 days to 30 days, you have passed the challenge. So now you'll be allowed to enter the next phase, which is the verification phase. The verification phase, the rules are not as stiff as the challenge phase. So between 10 days to 60 days, you need to make a profit of $5,000. So remember, during the challenge phase, the profit is $10,000. But for verification, the profit decreased by 50%, which is $5,000. But the maximum daily loss and the maximum loss has not changed. So the maximum loss you can allow your account for a day is $5,000. And the maximum loss you can allow throughout this life cycle of your account is $10,000, which you are seeing here. So once you're able to pass this challenge and pass the verification, now they will fund your account, which means you can trade as many days as you want. It's indefinite. There's no longer minimum trading days because you can trade as long and as little as you want. The maximum daily loss that's allowed your account to remain $5,000. And the maximum loss you can allow your account is $10,000, which is 10% of your account. I am talking about $100,000 trading account, which means if you go for a $200,000 trading account, the maximum loss becomes 10% of 200,000, which is 20,000. So the rule is that for a day, the maximum you can lose is 5% of your account. And throughout the life cycle of your account, the maximum you can lose is 10% of your account. And now, once you've passed the challenge and you have your first profit, they will refund your trading fee. So you remember here that you paid 540 euros just to try the challenge. If you pass the challenge and the verification and you start trading with them, the first profit they will pay you, they'll pay it together with the fee that you paid. So your fee is refundable. It's a refundable fee. So you don't have to worry. But what's important is that you have to get this key. Otherwise, you keep throwing your money to them. But if you do not pass the challenge, you will lose your fee that you've paid. But if you pass your challenge, they will give you back your money and the profit you've made for your first month. Can't you see that it's no brainer for you to be a partaker of this challenge? Because if you know what you're doing, remember, this is the caveat. You must be a good trader. If you're not a good trader, to make $10,000 within 30 days is very difficult. Extremely difficult. Very, very difficult. But if you know what you're doing, you're a good trader, you can be able to make $10,000 within 30 days so that you can pass the challenge. And also you can make another $5,000 within 60 days in order to pass the verification. Once you pass both step 1 and step 2, in step 3, you are handed a demo account. So now your account will be funded. You can trade, and any profit you make, you will get 80% of the profit. So you can come to the website to read more about it. So this is what this guy did. Our friend Dariusz, he did it. In his own case, you can see his account size is 400,000, which means he did the one for 200,000 twice. So he took the challenge for 200,000, he passed. He took another one for 200,000, he passed. So if you have two accounts, you can combine it, which is what he did to have an access to a $400,000 trading account, which you are seeing here. And by having this account size of 400,000, he was able to make a profit of $1.2 million. $1.2 million. And now he'll be paid 80% of this money. So what he will take home is 80% of 1.2 million. So let's calculate it. 80%, 0.8. So which means he'll be going home with about $963,000. That's like about $1 million. So he'll be paid about $1 million, which is 80% of this profit he has made for them. Imagine being paid about $1 million for a month. which means this is extremely profitable. In fact, since most of my audience are Nigerians, if I convert it to Nigeria currency, $1 million times 500 naira, which means $1 is 500 naira. Whoa! So this is like 500 million naira. So imagine making about 500 million naira in just 1 month of trading. Just 1 month, you are making 500 million naira, which in dollars is about $1 million. Just 1 month. You can see that trading is extremely lucrative. Extremely lucrative. And this is just 1 month of trading, because they pay you on a monthly basis if you want, or even on a bi-weekly basis. So which means about 1 month, our friend here is going home with about $1 million. Hey! And I'm here teaching you about trading. In fact, I think I should stop and let me just go and become a trader. Instead of begging people to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Someone like me is already making $1 million per month. I can't wait. But one thing you need to understand is that it takes a lot of time to master a good strategy. You need to understand what trading is involved, what's involved in trading, the dynamics of trading. So it's not as easy as just coming to take up a challenge and passing the challenge and expecting to make $1 million. It takes at least a year to actually perfect a strategy that will give you this money. So, and if you want to start learning, I have already thought about you. So that's why I have gone ahead to make the best videos for you on how to understand trading as a beginner. So you can see I have a course here which is day trading for beginners, how to trade for a living, how to make $1 million per month. I also have another course here which is how to trade for a living, use the best technical analysis strategies. You need these indicators and strategies in order to understand the market and how to make profit in the market. And finally, I made a video on the secret of profitable day trading, how to earn $100,000 per month. So you can see I have already gone ahead to make this video for you in order to understand what is involved in trading to become a really profitable trader. So I will leave a link of these courses in the description box of this video, and you can watch them completely for free. Just subscribe to the monthly trial, free monthly trial. At the end of 1 month, you cancel your subscription if you don't want to pay. So for you to know that you can now watch these courses for free and start making money from trading. In my subsequent videos, I will show you my own trading journey and how much I make from trading. The purpose of this thing is just to show you that yes, people are really making real money on the internet. People are making money just by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. So if you too want to make money on the internet, you remember step 1 is to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And once you're able to subscribe and like this video, that means you are ready to hear the different ways of making money realistically. There's no scam here. There's no gimmicks. There's no story that touch. No. These are proven. In fact, they even give you a certificate if you pass this challenge and you make profit. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.